Most of the videos I've seen online that show folding of these landing pads either go so fast you can't follow the action, or the camera is sitting in the opposite direction from what you're actually facing the pad. So I thought I'd make a new video with the camera positioned in such a direction that I'm able to show just exactly how this thing is folded from the person's viewpoint. Hope this helps somebody out there, because it took me a while to perfect my technique. Enjoy.